Beep beep. What is up, ninjas? My name is Semroll, and today we're going to be looking at the best free plugin for rave stabs or techno stabs. Now, if you've heard Charlotte de Witte's remix of Space Raiders by Eats Everything, or you've heard the original, a lot of people are a huge fan of that rave stab that tends to come in. Charlotte de Witte's remix has it as the main part of the drop, and a lot of people ask me how to remake that sound. Now, we tried doing it, but the hard thing about remaking that is that the quality of it is not the greatest, and that's what gives the sound character. It sounds very old school. Gladly, there is a free plugin out there that we can use to get these sounds, and today we're going to be looking at it and talking about it so that you guys can get that nice old school techno rave stab as well. Now, in order to download it, you just got to Google Rave Generator number 2. They're going to have a 32-bit and a 64-bit format, so you can definitely use it in your newer computers. And what pretty much the way this plugin works, guys, is it's going to have a lot of samples from the stabs from back in the day, which you're going to be able to load up, mix and mash. You're going to be able to layer on top of each other to create something. But in order to achieve the Charlotte de Witte sound, which is what we're going to be looking at today, all you really need to do is load up a preset. Now, at the end of March, guys, I am going to be releasing a Serum sound set called Paradox for you guys, which is going to contain a lot of the modern sounds inside of techno. We ain't gonna have any rave stabs in there because that would be considered copyrighted, but there are gonna be a lot of fresh sounds which you guys can check out, big emulations of your favorite artists if you're into techno. So make sure to check it out if you want to support the channel, and let's get started with this video. Alright, guys, and welcome inside of Ableton, and welcome to the Rave Generator. You should be able to open this plugin in any inferior DAW to Ableton like FL, Logic, Cubase, Studio One, Reaper, Magic's Music Maker 2004, which is the one I started on. But pretty much what this is, guys, is it's going to be a sampler. So what the guys that made Rave Generator have done for you is they've loaded up a lot of the old school samples, which are super popular. A lot of people use them to this day. If you hear DJ Snake's Propaganda, there's a lot of songs out there that utilize these kind of stabs, and of course the Eats Everything one, which is the T99 Anastasia one. Okay, if you want the Charlotte de Witte sound, you exactly want that sound. All you have to do is EQ it, the highs off so it's not as bright, and you already got it. Put reverb, put delay on it, and you're set. Now, Rave Generator is also going to allow you to layer different stabs, and you're going to have access to a lot of them. So let's say for some reason the Playboy stab intrigues me, which, you know what's up. You can definitely layer. It's cool to mix and mash, I guess. That's like an orchestral stab, like in the pop music and whatnot. So you're going to be able to do that with this plugin. The other cool thing here is we are going to have pretty much panning. We're going to be able to tune it differently. In envelope 2, or sorry, in number 2, we're going to have envelope settings, so you can give it a bit of attack if that's what you want. You can make it punchier by lowering sustain and messing with decay. And in the third one, you're going to have your pitch envelope, so if you want to make it punchy as hell, you want to create a kind of cool downlifter, you can do that here as well. Attack, you can create an uplifter. In a way, if it was longer. Okay, you can do a lot of cool stuff with that for sure. Creativity is everything here. You're gonna be able to reverse it if you want to do like a sweep. Which sounds pretty cool. I think that sounds dope. You're gonna be able to put a filter, which I don't know honestly how to access. That's the one. Where the hell is that filter is the question. And then a kais, which sounds so it sounds kind of like it's slowing it down. You can do a lot with that, but mainly what we're going to be using it for, of course, is going to be the stabs. You can loop it, so you can get that, unloop it. You're also going to have a delay at the bottom, which I don't recommend you use. It's not the cleanest one. And then you're going to be able to turn it into a ping pong. You're going to have master parameters, so you can tune it, make it velocity sensitive. And then I don't know what PVNRG is. But I just wanted to show you guys this plugin real quick, guys. If you're trying to achieve that sound, don't be like me and try to recreate it in Serum. This sound was created by sampling, again, a very old school track. So if you guys are interested in that, you can watch this video by Let's Synthesize, where he tries to remake the choir rave stab from T99's Anastasia. It's a cool video to see. Shows you the history behind it and what they did, so you can appreciate the stab more, and you can know that when you're using it, you're using history. A lot of people got fucked up, did a lot of ecstasy, did a lot of coke, in songs that utilize the stab, and when you use it, you can hope for the best. Hopefully, you know, people go crazy to your track. But anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I understand it's not a very technical one. It's not a crazy one. We're not teaching anything other than showing a sample based plugin. But not a lot of people know about it, and not a lot of people know how to achieve that sound. So I wanted to make this. But with that being said, you guys take care. You guys have an amazing day. And if you do end up using it, awesome. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have fun with it. Best of all, it's free, like I said. And peace out, guys. You guys have a good night.